Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. If you are tired of unwanted emails filling up your Gmail inbox on your mobile, this video is just for you. Today, I am going to show you an easy way to block those annoying senders on Gmail right from your mobile device. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Gmail app on your mobile device. This works for both Android and iPhone, so no worries. And then find the email from the sender you wanted to block. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. Now look at the right side, you will see a small three dot icon. Tap on it. In the list that appears, look for an option that says block. Tap on that. And just like that, emails from the sender will now be automatically sent to your spam folder. And that's it. Blocking unwanted emails on Gmail in mobile is super simple, and it really helps to keep your inbox clean. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.